Let me guess, are you one of those students who finds it difficult to memorize mathematics and science formulas and equations? So this video is for you. Today I'll be introducing you all from a very famous yet effective memorizing technique, that is flashcards. I'll come up with more topics regarding flashcards, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. Now let's move to the question number 1. What actually are flashcards? A card containing small amount of information on its both sides for memorizing purpose is what we usually call flashcards. Say question on the front and its corresponding answer on its back side. And you can use this technique for various subjects, not only mathematics and science, but any subjects or topic that could be studied in Q&A format. Like you can use it for memorizing important dates and eras of history. Moving to the question number 2, how to make flashcards. Take an index card or cut a regular sheet of paper into small pieces. Write your question on the front, and on its backside, write its corresponding answer. You can also type it down on MS Word or Google Docs and get it printed, but I recommend writing it down yourself, as an advantage of writing is that it will improve your recall ability, plus you can take flashcards to classes. If you watched the video till here, so let me know in the comment section below, and also let me know if you are gonna use this technique or not. Question number 3. What are alternatives of flashcards, the virtual or online flashcard? For the students who spend most of their time on their phone and laptops, online flashcards will feel more comfortable as comparison to the paper flashcards. There are various websites and applications that lets you make flashcards for free. And lastly, I want to thank my subscribers, friends and family for supporting me. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want more academic, lifestyle and productivity tips from me, and give this video a thumbs up if you like the content, and do share it with your friends and mates. And that's it for today's video. Stay safe, keep supporting, and see you soon. Bye bye.